Hello, Adobe Express users. Want to change the color of your image? I have got you covered. Let's do it in just few taps. First, open Adobe Express and choose your design project. Click on the image you want to adjust. In the toolbar at the side, you will see a variety of options like filters, adjustments, or hue tweaks. Choose the one you like. Adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, or apply a filter to change the color. Use hue adjustments to completely change the color tones or experiment with filters to match your vibe. If the color does not look right, try resetting the adjustments and start fresh. What's your go to filter or color adjustment? Drop it in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.